How are you doing, everyone? We would like to take this opportunity to welcome you back to the Coins Alert, your home for all of your cryptocurrency needs. I am your host, and my name is Van Winkle. We are hoping that you will have a wonderful day. Today is Monday, the first day of a new week, and we are currently in the month of June, which is a wonderful month. We are also halfway through the year. One of the best months of the year is June. Is that the case? A breakthrough of XRP, it's going to be a dramatic change, guys. You have that really correct. It will arrive, so make a note of it. Place it on your refrigerator. The cryptocurrency XRP is, at long last, making a comeback to the upside this summer. We referred to the bottom as the bottom when. It was in. We informed you that the lowest price was anywhere between 48 and 50 cents. It was the same chart that I had obtained. This is something that we have been considering for the previous few months. Everyone paid attention, everyone offered criticism, and everyone pointed their fingers. On the other hand, have a look at the conclusion of the day. I have just come to provide you with knowledge that is honest. In the event that those details are going to be painful to hear, therefore, it is necessary for it to be disseminated because you are required to be aware of the truth if you are going to get the information that I am going to provide to you. Is the most bullish information that is currently available, and you are eager to hear it. You can count on me to bring it to you as well. We will be discussing XRP over the course of this episode. In this context, we are discussing the reversal of price. Specifically, we are discussing that chart. We will also take a look at Bitcoin because the cryptocurrency is on the verge of seeing a significant price increase. Michael Saylor, also known as the one and only legend, is going to share his thoughts with us when he next speaks. At the end of this, he is going to be like the smartest guy walking on earth because he put all he believed into Bitcoin. And you know what? I don't know what choice name you got for the man, but hey, at the end of this, he is going to be like that. People, buckle up and lock it in because the price of Bitcoin is expected to reach above 100,000 this year. Let us get this thing done. Ethereum is right behind its up point, coming out at 3,808 USDT and USDC, both coming in at their dollar pegs just where you want them to be as XRP. Bitcoin is currently trading at 69,000 and 96,000, both of which are currently rising at 1.96% over the previous 24 hours. We are up around 1% XRP breakout objective. What are we looking for? Simple 74. Since it hasn't changed, and it won't change unless we can break 74 and transform 74 into our new base, nothing is going to happen. Guess what? It's finally a mean lean 52 cents. We are up about 1%. It is as simple as that we will remain in this range right here, which is between 48 and 52 cents for the next 8 years, until it makes the decision to break out of this range. You need not be concerned, however, for the breakout is on its way, guy. We have been anticipating this month for quite some time. A breakout typically occurs during the summer months. It is a song that I wrote. I really hope that you enjoy it. You should go check out my merchandise store if you haven't already done so. There is a lot of flying. Individuals are raving about the tumblers. Before we started making these tumblers, we utilized a Cricut to print them out. And then we slapped them on. Can you guess what it is now? They have the laser right in today, and they are engraved in it. You are not going to be able to quit. It is not going to be picked by you. There is nothing that you are going to do. The price of said item is approximately 65 XRP, and it is a for life item. That was the accurate interpretation. 65 XRP, people. It seems to me that a hat costs about 30 XRP. We offer free shipping to any location in the world. We offer free shipping to any location in the world. Are you kidding me? I mean, really? This particular block has been the most hot. I enjoy the combination of gray and white. If I had to choose one, I actually did choose one. I did, in fact, end up with the dark green. No, I'm not going to tell you a lie. Is there a dark green somewhere? Right on the money, I've got that one. I'm going to look down below. Please place your order. The item will be sent to you by our company. During this summer, you won't experience fatigue or thirst, and you'll be as joyful as you possibly can be. Bitcoin, what do you think of it? It is expected that this pattern will break during the following 48 hours. It is true. This thing is going to snap. There is, however, the question of which direction we will break, and whether we will break it to the upside or whether we will break to the negative if we do break. The range that we have in play is 74,000, and I have a strong expectation that we will break to the upside before we reach that level. Isn't it strange that the breakout with Bitcoin is above 74,000? There is a breakout in XRP at 74 cents. You should keep your eyes on Bitcoin because there is something about the number 74 that can't possibly be a coincidence, right? Except for Bitcoin, nothing else is going to move until it does. Over 100,000 Bitcoins have been mined so far this year. In point of fact, I just now came upon an article that I did not pull up. I will take care of it. Have I managed to pull it up? It was not pulled up by me. On the other hand, I will discuss it in the next video. I believe that Brant Peter, a Bitcoin or cryptocurrency enthusiast who is everyone's favorite. According to him, a Bitcoin was about to reach its peak. Indeed, he is requesting $150,000 for the month of September. It's fascinating. This September, the following September, I am aware of nothing but bull cycles and bull runs. It is on, and I am prepared to receive it. Here is Michael Saylor drawing parallels between Bitcoin and a bank and a heaven that is governed by God. So, who exactly is this guy that did that? At this moment, God descends from heaven above and says, all right, I've made up my mind to solve your particular problem in heaven. I will soon be in charge of a bank. I'm going to produce 21 million God coins, and each one can be divided in an endless number of ways. In addition, I am going to go ahead and carry out this task for you at a cost that is almost non-existent. In addition, you have the ability to telepathically transfer the monies to one another in order to settle your expenses. I am going to make certain that your money is not taken away from you by any financial institution, government, counterparty, country, or criminal. I will make sure that this happens. I solemnly swear that I will never inflate it. There is your money, and there is your bank. I'm simply going to, so there you have it. Do you agree that it's a bank in heaven? Additionally, even if someone were to put a gun to your head, you would still be safe because you have the money in your head and the angels will defend you. It's possible that they will kill you, but they won't be able to get their hands on your money. Consequently, if I were to consider it, I would be thinking, all right, God is going to manage a trustworthy bank for me, okay? That's okay. The next best idea is that we develop a piece of software that makes use of cryptography. This is because in the absence of God offering to run the bank, and safeguard your property rights forever from everyone, the next best idea is that we produce a piece of software. After that, 21 million coins, which can be further subdivided by 100 million, are instantiated in the protocol by the software. Consequently, 2.1 quadrillion satoshis is sufficient in all respects. You may further segment it if you felt the need to do so. Using a computer, you are now able to send 1,000, 100, a million, a billion, 10 billion, or $100 billion worth of something from one person to another without requesting permission from anyone. This method was created by us. It is possible to believe that you are holding $1 million or perhaps $1 billion in your head. It can be held in your hand at any time. When you are certain that you are about to be arrested, you can simply send a message to your sister who lives in Singapore. You have the option of placing your money with the bank in London if you do not have faith in the New York bank. Exactly. And if you don't trust any bank, you sell. I don't know who this man is. You sell. Despite the fact that it was a bizarre presentation, I am telling you that at the end of the day, with all of the Bitcoin that he is holding for MicroStrategy, he has seen the vision, he has seen the vision, he is going to be one of the wealthiest individuals on this planet, if not the wealthiest man to ever exist. The nation of Australia's debut, an exchange-traded fund ETF that will directly hold Bitcoin, is scheduled to go live on Tuesday. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds ETFs are gaining popularity all across the world, which is a significant move. What are we going to see after this? ETFs for Ethereum? Then we will most likely obtain Bitcoin Cardano XRP Solana. On the other hand, what is this? Not only does this bring in money from institutions, but it also makes it possible for members of the general public to participate in cryptocurrency. What does that imply? To put it simply, it implies more bank, more capital that is going to be invested in cryptocurrency. The more money that is invested in cryptocurrency, the higher the values of cryptocurrency are going to go, and the more money that we are going to get back on our returns. This is because we could see the future when we made the decision to enter the cryptocurrency game.